Best deals. 1. Dosa Tawa. Made from superior grade cast iron which is stronger and fights rust longer. Can use metal ladles. High quality cast material heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Adds a strong authentic Indian flavor to your preparations. The optimum base thickness also ensures optimal heat retention. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Handy. Stay cool stainless steel handles, designed for comfortable handling even when the pan is hot. Curved body for easy stirring of difficult dishes. From pulao and biryani to vegetables, dals, soups, stews, curries, and desserts, this versatile handy accommodates a wide array of culinary creations. Handy adapts effortlessly to various cooking methods, offering versatility. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oil dispenser. Features a removable spout, making it effortless to clean. Simply wipe the ceramic oil dispenser 500 ml and spout after refilling to ensure long-term use. Crafted from durable ceramic, this oil bottle for kitchen helps preserve oils, vinegar, and liquid condiments. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Steamer pot. Works seamlessly on induction, gas stoves, and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Premium stainless steel body resists rust, dents, and scratches while adding a refined touch to your cookware set. Guarantees even heat, fuel efficiency, and long-lasting durability you can trust, ideal for preparing wholesome meals in generous portions. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Broom holder. Stretchy design, holds items firmly, and easy release. Has the advantages of long service life. Easy to use, and saves space. Various surface applicable such as tile, glass, metal, plastics and painted wood. Fit for kitchen, shower, bathroom or anywhere you need. Harmless on your wall, cleanly remove. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Blender. Has a built-in high-capacity battery that can be easily recharged from a computer or other USB power source. The blender can be fully charged in 3 hours and can provide up to 40 drinks. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Compact chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Speedy chopper is made of high-quality material. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food-grade, and BPA-free plastic. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream. Now chops meat and vegetables, make salads, knead the dough, make a batter for cakes, pastries and pancakes, blend milkshakes, baby food, soups and stews. Additional dough blade for kneading dough hygienically and conveniently. Compact design with a non-slip and durable body. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Container set. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the spice storage set is resistant to rust, stains, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliable performance in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. The compact design of the steel tiffin box makes it an ideal choice for both men and women on the go. Easily fit it into your bag without taking up too much space, ensuring that you enjoy home-cooked meals wherever your day takes you. Elevate your daily routine with a lunch box that combines functionality with sleek aesthetics, enhancing your style as you nourish both your body and spirit with freshly packed meals. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Milk frother. Instantly make cafe-style coffee at home, a perfect combo for your coffee maker machine for home. This wand lets you impress friends and family with barista-level creations effortlessly. Creates rich, creamy froth for your morning coffee in 15 to 20 seconds. This portable coffee beater and coffee stirrer electric whips up smooth coffee, cappuccinos, and lattes with ease. Features a sleek stainless steel stand, perfect for modern kitchens. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Paneer Maker Mold is ideal for small to medium families to make fresh paneer at home without any hassle or mess. Make soft and fresh paneer at home with full control over ingredients, hygiene, and taste. No preservatives, just pure homemade goodness. Evenly distributed perforations allow for fast and effective separation of whey or curd water, ensuring smooth texture in every batch. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Drawer Organizers. Maximize drawer and closet space with this compact organizer, designed to make the most of small spaces. Keep your undergarments in perfect condition. Soft yet durable material. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Toaster. The high-quality non-stick sandwich maker ensures easy food release, prevents sticking, and allows hassle-free cleaning after every use. Specially designed gas sandwich maker, perfect for even heat distribution on gas stoves, delivering crispy and golden brown sandwiches every time. Made from high-quality aluminum, the sandwich toaster gas-compatible is lightweight, strong, and built to last for daily use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bags. Made of clear, non-toxic, food-grade safe plastic, reusable, freezable, convenient, durable, space-saving. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Omelette Mold. Ensures that your fried or poached eggs have a consistent and uniform shape. This is particularly beneficial for presentation purposes, creating a neat and professional look on the plate. Our egg ring is a versatile tool that can also function as an egg pouch maker, allowing you to create perfect round eggs for your breakfast sandwiches and other dishes. They can be used for shaping other ingredients like pancakes, hash browns, or even mini burgers. The omelette shaper makes it easy to cook perfect round omelettes every single time. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bottle Cleaner Brush. Measures 15 inches and non-scratch and odorless nylon bristle easily removes stubborn stains from your bottles, carafes, travel mugs, containers. Its sturdy construction make tough cleaning tasks a breeze. With the non-slip rubber grip of this bottle scrub brush, you can clean your bottles with ease and comfort. Water bottle cleaning set includes a long bottle brush, straw brush and detail cleaner with detachable organizer ring and storage hook, to provide a thorough clean for any of your drinking buddies. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage Drawer. Made from high quality, thick plastic with a strong base and reinforced sides, a durable plastic storage rack built for long-term daily use in any home organizers and storage setup. Features 4 deep drawer storage compartments that provide ample room while saving space. Perfect storage drawers organizer for office drawer storage, or baby things organizer storage. Designed with 4 smooth wheels and an integrated handle for comfortable grip, this rolling organizer rack moves easily from kitchen to bedroom or office, acting as a portable plastic drawer cabinet. Product link is given in the 17th link.